everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing from SHEIN. Basically I have bought a few nail supplies from them and they're very cheap. I was very amazed at how cheap they were. So right now I am showing you the press-on nails, the little stands that they have, and it has like the little magnetic diamond. I think that's what they call that. They would call that a diamond. And I couldn't believe like how low price that was. Like something like this would almost be like probably between $5 to $10. So yeah, you guys need to go and check them out for real. The next thing that I'll be showing you after this is I had got some little triangular some triangular type little trays. And basically what you can do with these is you can put like little stones or gems or anything like that, you know. Instead of having the whole box out, you can go ahead and put your rhinestones or gems in that, and you know, it prevents you from knocking over the whole thing. So I think this comes in handy because you guys, I have knocked over my whole tray of gems and it's no fun to pick it up. Also I have these two boxes here. So as a nail tech, I think it's important that you have those boxes because you can separate your dirty implements from your clean ones. And so you'll have your clean ones on hand and you'll have dirty ones that you can just put in there right away to be clean later on when you get done with your client, or later at the end of the day, whenever you have time to do it. So as you see, I have these little stickers here and I made it on the label maker machine at my basically at my cosmetology school. My instructor, she allowed us to make these little labels for us to label our implements, our items, you know, everything that we need, especially for like manicures. She allowed us to do that. So I went on ahead and I made one for my sanitizing box. And the next thing I have here is basically like a chemical. You can put like acetone or alcohol or whatever you want in there, swipe or whatever you have. I'm going to use mine for primarily acetone because the other little bottles, the little plastic bottles, the acetone eats it up, you know. And so I don't want to end up having holes in my bottle because the acetone is eating it up, you know. That would not be good. So you see there, I got the acetone sticker and I'm placing it on there. You know, it's very important to label your chemicals when you have a salon, just so you won't mix things up. Okay, so here I have two of what they call the nylon brushes. This is very important also as a nail tech. I would prefer to use this over a dust brush because you can sanitize these. You cannot sanitize a dust brush, excuse me. You cannot sanitize a dust brush because if you submerge it into the barbicide, it will destroy it. These you can do that with. Okay. So what I liked about it was it came with 2 in a pack at a very low price. So you guys, I'm telling you, go and check out SHEIN, you guys. Go and check them out. As you can see, I was struggling to take the little top out of the bag. I'm like, come on out, please come out. So yeah, I was having a little hard time there, but you guys get my point. You understand what I mean. And so The next thing that I had was these little, what you would call Zodiac Words, because it's not really signs. So I guess you would call it Zodiac Words, like, you know, Capricorn, Aquarius, that type of thing. And I got these for the low as well. And I'm like, your girl is about to rack up on this website. I had only ordered a few things from them because I wanted to try them out first and make sure they stuff was not, you know, not basic. Like, this stuff really looks good, you know. So I was very proud. So I got that in the gold, and I also got it in the silver, as you can see. Okay, and your girl, I was happy. I was happy. I was pulling that stuff out of that bag like, girl, I cannot believe. Because I had been telling myself, oh, I need to get that. I need to get this. But it costs an arm and a leg to get it off another website. So when I seen this website, I'm like, wait a minute, baby. Let me go and do my shopping real quick, okay? Your girl was doing her shopping on SHEIN. Well, I wanted to test it out first, so I didn't quite get a whole lot of stuff, but I am gonna go back and spend up some money, okay? So I'm showing you here that I got the gold and the silver, and I went and got these little Gothic, like, I guess you would call it like Gothic, some type of Gothic like gems or whatever you would want to call them. And you see how they look on the nail. So they're pretty big, you know, they're fitting my thumb like that. And man, when I tell you guys I am in love with this, I'm in love. So here in this part, I have the 3D flowers with the pearls and the caviar beads. And that's really a popular nail art that's going on right now. It's trending very well. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to order some more of that. I'll be done spent about $500 with these people. You hear me? $1,000. And then here I have some snakes, the little snakes. That's another popular nail art that's going on right now. I cannot say that word, so please do not laugh at me. But I would primarily use these snake gems for shorter sets that I do. So yeah, I do need to get some bigger ones. I don't think they had bigger ones, so I may have to get that off of Amazon, but that's okay. You know, I'm not tripping. That's okay. Okay, because your girl gonna make it happen. And I got some cherries. You got to put the cherry on top. Boo-boo, okay? Put the cherry on top. So I really liked how these looked. They're very beautiful. I am going to do a cherry-inspired set with this. And I can't wait until I put it in full effect, you know? I cannot wait. So, right now I'm showing you all the things that I got from SHEIN, and I didn't pay, I would say like I paid less than $20 for all of this, what I'm about to show you here on the screen. I was blown away. I could not believe that I did not pay that much for that, you know, and I'm like, yeah, you know, I would have ordered more, but I wanted to test them out first. You know how you want to test something out. You may buy a little bit, and then once you see they legit and they stuff look good and it's, you know, it's all the way Gucci, then you go back and order more. So, yeah. You see all of that. You see all of this. Less than $20, honey. tell me where you gonna find it at. And so later on, I went and ordered 2 more of, they have the gem boxes. You know, like the little boxes everybody got going on around right now. This, now you will be blown away. I paid $28 for this. Now you go and try to buy this on other websites or from Amazon or wherever, and you gonna spend over $30. If there's some that's less than $30, comment down below and let me know. But SHEIN was the only place that I know that had it for $28. So I got this one and I got another one as well. And you can see I was struggling to get it open, honey, because they had it taped up real good. But then when I got the box, it was like broke. If you can see right there in the left corner, it was broken. And I'm like, how dare them? They didn't pack it right. So if you see me, I'm going to point at it right there. And it was broken. And I'm like, how they not going to pack it right? You know what I'm saying? But anywho, I was so fascinated with the gems that they had in there, and I just cannot wait until I do a set. And then I went and bought another one. Okay, so I bought two of them. And in this one, it had different gems and jewelry and stuff like that. Now, it did have some more snakes in there that were a little bigger that I like, but it had another trending jewelry that everybody is getting on their nails, like the little Saturn planets. I think that's what it's called. I don't know what this stuff is called, girl. It just, y'all, I just look at it like, okay, this look like Saturn. I compare it to what I know it look like. Common sense, basically. You feel me? So I'm just so fascinated with this, you know. So you see that little snake is bigger, which I can use that on longer sets. So you see I'm holding up the little planet, little Saturns, and they had them in a few different colors. So I was happy with that. You know, can't go wrong with that, because that stuff is expensive on Amazon and on these other websites. It's expensive, honey. So if y'all can check out SHEIN, go ahead and go to SHEIN.com. You can go to the App Store or Google Play. You can download it. I have the app on my phone from the App Store. Okay. And you see how pretty they look. I'm going to show y'all some sets too. I'm going to do some videos where I show y'all sets. But I want y'all to also comment down below and let me know what type of videos that you want me to do. I will be having more videos on how to prevent lifting and doing acrylic sets, watch me work, and all of that, okay? So here I'm showing you a little view of what it looks like. And man, your girl, I snapped. Don't be sleep on them, okay? So go ahead and shop with them. This concludes today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.